Veteran actor Achyut Poddar has passed away, leaving behind a legacy that goes far beyond his most famous on-screen roles. Best remembered by many as the strict professor in Three Idiots, Poddar's life was filled with passion, discipline, and an inspiring journey across multiple careers. But before he ever stepped in front of a camera, Poddar had already lived a full life of service and success. Achyut Poddar didn't begin his journey in the entertainment industry. In fact, he served in the Indian Army, retiring as a captain in 1967. His dedication to service continued off the battlefield as he transitioned into the corporate world. He went on to work for Indian Oil Corporation, where he had a long and successful career. Poddar retired from Indian Oil in 1992 after 25 years of service, having risen to the position of executive. Despite a fulfilling career in both the army and the corporate sector, acting had always been Poddar's true calling. Despite his successful corporate career and army service, Poddar had a passion for acting, which led him to participate in theatrical productions and eventually into films. He took a leap of faith and entered the film industry at the age of 44 without any formal training. What followed was nothing short of extraordinary. Poddar appeared in over 125 Hindi and Marathi films, including acclaimed titles such as Aakrosh, Ardh Satya, Rangila, Dabangg 2, and of course, Three Idiots. Although he played many memorable characters throughout his film career, it was his role as the stern professor in Three Idiots that gave him nationwide recognition. His role as the strict professor in Three Idiots brought him widespread recognition and made him a household name. Poddar also made his mark on television, with appearances in popular shows like Wagle Ki Duniya and Bharat Ki Khoj, showcasing his versatility across genres and formats. A biography of Achyut Poddar, written by his daughter, captures the essence of a man who lived with humility, strength, and quiet determination. From his early days in Indore to serving the nation, climbing the corporate ladder, and eventually lighting up the silver screen, Achyut Poddar's life is a testament to reinvention and relentless passion. His journey reminds us all, it's never too late to follow your dreams.